Hello, grade 7, how are you? Mr. Newlab is here again. Today I want us to look at how to simplify linear expression. So I have a question here which I quickly want us to go through. Now if you have a question like this, negative 2x plus 4 plus bracket negative 3 minus 5x, and you are told to simplify it. It means you write it in a simple form. Alright, the first thing to do is to group the like terms. What are the like terms here? You see that you have negative 2x, you have negative 5x. Alright, these are like terms. Then we have the constant here, plus 4 minus 3. So the first thing we need to do is to write this one again. Even though it's in the bracket, we make use of gem dash here. We have plus here, so we cannot use the distributive property here. So the first thing we need to do is to deal with the numbers or the values in the bracket. So here we have negative 2x, we bring it down, plus 4, we have our plus, then we have to deal with this one also, so we have our minus 3, then minus 5. Then we are going to group the like terms. What are the like terms here? We have minus 2x and minus 5x. They are like terms because they have x. So minus 2x minus 5x, what is it going to give us? It's going to give us minus 7x. How did we get it? Remember, we are also learning how to use the calculator. So let's see how we are going to press minus 2x. So 2 negative
in me and no food can withstand me.
Minus 5, and that gives us what? Minus 7. So minus 2x minus 5 give us what? Minus 7. Then we also have plus 4 plus negative 3. Plus times minus is going to give us negative. You can also press it like that also on the calculator. How are we going to press plus 4 plus minus 3? So plus 4, we know if I press 4 is the same as plus 4. Now I'm going to press plus minus 3. How do I press it? Plus, this is my plus, so plus, then I'm going to press 3 negative. So that is plus minus 3. And this is going to give us what? 1. So here 1 is the same as what? Plus 1. Alright, so we have simplified this expression. Okay, let's look at this one also. How are we going to simplify this? Think about it. I'm just giving you a few minutes. The first thing we need to do is to apply the gem dash. We deal with the brackets first. Alright, the grouping bracket. So we have to deal with this. Because of this plus, we can apply the distributive property. So here, what am I? Then I have my plus 5. Then I'm going to have my plus here. Then I have minus 2. Then I have minus 3x. So let me make it a little bit bigger for you to see. Okay, so I've rewritten this expression again. This time you see that I'm not distributing because of this plus, if it is plus or minus. You are not supposed to distribute. Okay, now what are the like terms here? The like terms, we have negative 3x and negative 3x, so we need to subtract them. So negative 3x minus 3x is going to give us negative 6x. Then how did we get it? Let's go back to our calculator. So negative 3x, how do I press it? I press 3 negative minus 3, so minus 3, and that gives us negative 6x. Then this and this are also like terms, so 5 plus minus 2 is going to give us plus 3. How did we get it? Now let's go back to our calculator. 5 plus minus 2, so I'm going to have 5 plus 2 negative. This is how you press on this particular calculator. Alright, so this is going to give us what? 3. This is what we are using, so we need to learn how to use it. Alright, so here this gives us what? Plus 3. Alright, okay, I'm going to give you this to try as your classwork. Try this for me. Bye. I will pray for those who